welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Mexican rice, and not only am I going to show you how to make Mexican rice, but I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. So we're going to be making our own sauce for our rice. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, because what are you waiting for? And also hit that notification button, that way every time I post a video you guys get alerted. And I've actually been so proud of myself because I've been very consistent and I'm trying to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. So if you haven't already hit that notification button, go ahead and hit it now so you can be alerted each time I post. So let's go ahead and get started so that you guys can get started on making your own traditional, authentic Mexican rice. Let's go.
Here's everything that you're going to be needing to make your salsa for your rice. You're going to be needing 2 tomatoes, about 1/4 of an onion, and as you can see, the tomato still has like the stem part, and you just want to chop that before you boil it. You have your chopped onion, and that's going to be to cook your rice. We have some cilantro and 2 garlic cloves. So what you want to do is place everything except the chopped onions in a little pot so you can bring it to a boil, and you can add a little bit of salt. Mine is already boiling and I checked my tomatoes and they're pretty soft, so I'm going to go ahead and transfer it into my blender. So here I have pink Himalayan salt, tomato and chicken bouillon, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to add 1 tablespoon of chicken and tomato bouillon, and you're going to go ahead and start mixing it up.
Whenever you know it's ready, it's when it's kind of brown, and once it browns, you want to add your homemade salsa on top of it, and then you're going to add about 3 cups of water. So I'm going to check on it right now and make sure that it's cooking and that it's ready for the salsa. So I'm just going to add 1 more tablespoon of the consomme de pollo, the chicken bouillon, and then basically you're just gonna let it boil and cook from now on, and put it at like a medium high temp, and you want to cover the top, okay? Don't let it be open or anything like that. It needs to be covered in order for it to cook all the way.
After letting the rice cook for about 15 minutes, here is the final result. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video on how to make authentic Mexican rice. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!